Now, let's move on to the proof. Okay, well, we just call it Theorem 3. Now, in grade 8 and 9, you never heard about the word equiangular. Okay, that's going to be a new word which you have never heard about. Amenable. So that's the one that I'm going to talk about now. Okay. So I'll allow those who are copying to just copy that. Okay. Okay. Please be aware that the two lines are not parallel until you prove that they are parallel. Okay, so we start from there. Okay, who is Wandisi? Am I right? Wandisi. Now, who is Wandisi? Okay. Have you ever been absent? No, I'm just checking. Sorry, girls. Can you please do your work? Because I'm stopping here to allow people to copy that down so that I can carry on. Yes. Okay, listen. Okay. Well, in my case, I consider mass maths as an additional thing for yourself, right? But in my case, if you decide that okay, today there's an M lesson and also a master lesson, then you can make a decision as to where you want to go. Yeah, it starts from around 20 to 3 to 3:30. All right. Hey, can I have your attention? Um, I just need to remind you that on the 28th, you've got an assignment. I sent you a PDF last week. Right? I hope you saw it. Right? Yes, I hope you saw it. So you should be getting ready with your trig. Right? Today, during the M lesson, I'll go over the trig. Okay? Yeah, yeah. Well, my suggestion, okay, my understanding is that the M lesson has to be something which is compulsory. Right. As to why someone does not want to attend, okay, there has to be an extremely good reason as to why you don't want to attend. Also be aware that for you to be able to pass, you have to get 80% or more. Okay. Yes. For me, that's your pass mark. I'm not going to lower the standard, no. Okay? You have to get 80%. So if you're not going to be there, as long as you get my 80% or more next week when you write the trick test, then I'm going to be okay. Okay, next week we'll have it. It's every week. One day. Well, okay, at the moment I can't say Monday because sometimes it might depend on my personal commitment with because I also teach other people. So I will communicate on which day. All right. Are you playing with your phone there when you're in class? Are you serious? All right. I need to carry on, please. I need to carry on. All right. Can I have your attention? After proving that GH is parallel to BC, can I have your attention, please? We now need to apply the proportion theorem to write the ratios of the corresponding sides. Okay? So the proportion theorem kicks in soon after proving that GH is parallel to BC. Now, when that happens, we can now write some ratios based on that big triangle now. Okay, so the first ratio will be AB is going to be divided by AG. Okay, this is from the diagram. Okay, but someone might be saying, what is he talking about? Okay, based on the proportion theorem using one of the corollaries, AB over GH, okay, to be AB, okay, in this case, we say AG. So AB over AG will be equal to AC over AH. Let's just give an opportunity to some of you who are still copying, and I can move to that side. Right, in recent years, this proof has not been brought in examinations, but you never know, maybe for you, you might see it in your final exam. Okay, but you have to know it before you enter into your maths paper 2. You need to know the proof, because it might come. All right, I need to carry on because of time. So, once, can I have your attention, please? Hey, sorry, girls. Do you want me to give you an opportunity to talk? You can go outside. Right. Now, once you have proved that those two lines are parallel, then the proportion theorem kicks in. Okay, so how many of you are going to be there in the afternoon? Thank you very much. We'll start. Okay, we'll start around 22 because after your registration, you need like a bit of some time, maybe 10 minutes, just to refresh yourself. You need to eat, you eat, and then you want to drink something, but not a harmful substance. Okay. Yes. 3:30. All right. Please allow me to carry on. If you are behind, you can always catch up from the PDF. All right, let's move on to the converse. Now, the converse is not examinable. Okay, the converse is not examinable. So I'm not going to talk about its derivation, but all I'm just going to do is let you know that the converse of the previous theorem says that if the corresponding sides of two triangles are in the same proportion, then the two triangles are equiangular and therefore they are similar. Okay, so it's the opposite. Now we are starting with the sides being in the same proportion and the triangles being equiangular, therefore the triangles are similar. With the original theorem, the triangles will be equiangular and their sides will be in the same proportion, therefore the triangles will be similar triangles. So be aware, original theorem, equiangular, same proportion, similarity. The converse, same proportion, equiangular, similarity. Okay? So if I write it down, I can just write it down this way. Okay, so let's move on to some examples. Okay, so throughout the rest of the week, we are going to be doing similar triangles, also proportion theorem. So we'll be switching between the two, combining the two, because the two have got a relationship. All right, now for your March test, yes. It's going to be what? Yeah, the March test, yes. I sent you a breakdown. You saw it. Did you see it? Because it sounds like you never saw it. I sent you a breakdown. If there is anybody who is in the dark about the March test after I send you the breakdown, it's a huge shame. Yes, it's a huge shame. What? Okay. Okay. Let's get on. All right. I want you to write example in your math work, so I'm going to start with that. Okay. All right. I've got. Can I have your attention? Can I have your attention? I've got about 10 minutes, so allow me to at least be able to do the first one. Okay. Can I have your attention? Can I have your attention? Right. Remember, you did similar triangles in grade 8 and grade 9. So this is not totally new. It's not totally new. Okay. No, you did. All right. Can I have your attention? Can I have your attention? Right. I gave you a breakdown and I even put the marks there. Sequence and series 49 marks. The geometry 51 marks. Okay? I even put it there. All right. Can I have your attention? Can I have your attention? Sorry, girls. Yes. Sorry. Spoken. Sorry. Okay, can you do me a favor, please? Now pay attention. Okay? All right. So the question here says MNPQ is a palm. Now, because we have got a palm here, you need to go back to your properties of quadrilaterals. Yes, ma'am?
Sorry for the interruption. When you have a moment, could you please move your palm? I need to cut the grass.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, because we have got a palm here, you need to refresh yourself with regard to the properties of self. Okay? Because there are some of you who think since you're in grade 12, you are a big dog now, you cannot go back. Listen, pay attention. You think that maybe you are not supposed to go over grade 10 way. That's not true. That's not true. Okay?